Sad day.
Standing up, and that's like, okay, do it however you want to do it.
Yay, we got 3. Thank you.
Yep, you're right.
Help. Hello. I work today, a full day, so don't mind any of this. Today is Madz's final day in the parks. It is in MK. Documenting this moment. We didn't document last night at all because we were there like super short amount of time. We were just in studios. We did like, what did we do? We did Rocky Roller Coaster. You guys went on Tower of Terror and I got chicken nugs. And then we saw Fantasmic, so that was really short and I just wanted to enjoy it. But today is a day we probably should keep note of. We're gonna do all the things. We're here until 11 p.m., right?
Yeah.
It's happening. I work at 9:30. It doesn't matter. We're fine. Beautiful day to be here. I hope it doesn't rain anymore. Okay, we're getting a classy pic. Oh, she's so excited, that little girl. Yes, 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 yes. Work, work, yes, yes. Look at that stance. Amazing, perfect, wonderful.
That is the cutest.
Round 2, yes, you just have to ask them to let you do it because they have to hold on to the balloons the whole time.
They weren't able to go.
Cast member secrets. Kidding, not really. She knows what's up. Took some castle pics, and now we're getting food, and I'm probably getting corn dog nugs because I'm late. We got the foods at a price. It's okay. Corn dog nugs are worth it. I've never sat inside here before. It's really cute. We're walking by Country Bridge, and we're on our way to that beautiful side over there. Slash. Also, we're all delirious. Don't mind us. Here we go. Here we go. Last time. One last time. Relax, have a drink with me. One last time. Those sunset views. Gotta get them. Nice, nice. Oh, yes. Oh, okay. Hello? Nice, nice. Aw. Beautiful. We got splashed a little bit. How you guys looking? What? Show me some face. Show me some face. It was just like my whole face and like my boobs like a whip. It's fun. Oh no! Stay away! This is worse! No! 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 Stop! Oh no! Oh stop! Please, sir! Oh no! Stop it! No! No! Why? Why? Help! We went for something bizarre. That's pretty bizarre, I think. And then I was just standing there with my phone, and then I heard some people being really loud next to me, and I was like, people are loud all the time, but then I looked over and this white guy's getting up in this black guy's face, and his daughter and or girlfriend was like pulling on his arm and was like, no, don't, and they're like, don't try back. I don't know if somebody cut in front of somebody in line or something, but they were about to like throw some hands, and I was like, whoa. And that's the Dole Whip story of the day. Dole Whip story today. And then I got mobile ordered and then I bypassed that line. That's why you get a frozen pickle banana. That is a pickle. I'm like pretty convinced. This is the view. Some child is trying to pickpocket my shoe, but surprise, there's nothing in there. It's happening soon. The projections are out. Mad's last time. Oh, wow. Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to feel it anymore. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Love is an open
flower that blooms in adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all. And so our journey comes to an end, but yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go, let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The battles were stories, the losses and all the glory. We're changed by the way we live every day. Just look up and reach to the sky. We all have the courage to fly.
Alright, we're running away now. Too many feels. I'm all alone. I got separated from my dad. There's too many people. I'm trying to get to space and meet them there. I don't like this. I made it, but where are they? Dad? Dad! Dad! Woo! Bye! It's been like an hour. The waits are so long now. Finally, we're so close. This is gonna be good. It's gonna be good. I like the right side better than the left. A classic. Wow. Also, I'm crying again. Her ears broke. A fitting ending, I guess. Mine train area looking so pretty. I love it back here at nighttime. Gonna go see if the Tangled pictures are happening.
The backside of the castle.
Ooh, ah. Tangled photos. This is so cute. I've never seen them do this before. I know what happens. Exciting. I don't know if we're gonna do it though because it's probably a long line. Oh boy. There it is. Oh, that's so cute. Wow. We're going on the wildest ride in the wilderness. I'm gonna try to all fit in one little row. Should be fine. Going in the back. Going in the back. Thank you. 15? Huh?
15 and 14.
We're not doing 3. Sad days. I love Big Thunder. I cried. My left eye just cried because I loved it so much.
Every single time.
Yeah, I was just laughing because of Molly's scream. She was like, I can't help it. So it's like my involuntary reaction. Oh, my tummy hurts from laughing so much. Oh. In sleep he sang to me, in dreams he came. Boom, boom. Oh, dropping the new ears. That voice calls to me, Jasmine, and speaks my name. Da-da. 1, everybody. 2. Oh no.
Oh, this is fine.
We got stuck briefly in the graveyard scene, but we're back. We're good. I would love to work here and see backstage. Ooh, it'd be so cool. Get those Main Street pics. castle. She's pretty. So is she. We uplift our girls, you know. Here we go, last time. I'm not emo. I love this so much. She's my fave. Here comes the bride. Oh, man, scrump. Ooh, there's a nice breeze here. We like a breeze. Oh, it's actually really cold. Wait, that's so cute. You can't see it. It's Stitch. And that's so cute. And that's obviously very cute to me. I can't. There's too much cute here. I am a fan. So cute. Oh my goodness. Look in the mirror. Kind of. Hello.
Ooh, I love this one. So I asked
Leota.
for help. So just know that you'd have to walk you over there. No, your turn.
She found Haunted Mansion fanny packs. Nothing will ever be the same. Oh my goodness.
I need it.
That kid liked it. Ooh. Good night slash morning. It's no, it's like 11:30. Bye. Ooh. It's still nighttime. It's okay. See a real swoon.
The stories, the losses, and all the glory were changed by the way